Hello aspirants, welcome to UPSC Guide. My name is Shivnath Mamilla. I'll be your Indian Polity faculty in this UPSC Preliminary crash course. So, you know that for UPSC CSC preliminary examinations, priorities change normally. So, normally these are the important areas we have, which are identified areas: Indian economy, environment, Indian history and culture, geography, science and technology, Indian polity and current affairs. The weightage for these particular topics will change every year in UPSC examination, which is very dynamic, right? So I'll be dealing your Indian polity subjects. Our intention is to give you a quick revision through this particular subject for upcoming preliminary examination. All right. So if you see the trend analysis for this UPSC examination, especially for Indian polity, have taken 10 years as a reference period from 2012 to 2021. 10 years as reference period, and we have analyzed the data, how many questions are coming from Indian polity, so that we can understand how important this particular subject in your success in preliminary examination, right? So if you see 2012, we got 17 questions. If it is in 2013, 19 questions. You can see 2017 we got more questions, like 21 questions we got in 2017. If you see 2016, 9 questions, that is the lowest number of questions from polity is in 2016. So this is the range which I am coming up with. The range is 9 to 21 questions are coming from Indian polity, right? So it depends upon 9% in 2016 and 21% in 2017. So this is the importance of this particular subject, right? So if you take the total number of questions came last 10 years, it is 15.3, right? And an average 15.3. 153 questions came in past 10 years. 153 by 10, that is 15.3. And an average we got 15.3 questions from Indian polity, which means that in your success 15% is dependent on Indian polity, right? For your success in preliminary examination, 15% of your success is quite dependent on Indian polity. I hope you understood the importance and relevance of this particular subject. And while concluding these numbers, we haven't added any current affairs or allied questions from polity, right? I have taken only core questions from Indian polity and we have concluded to these numbers. I hope you understood the importance. In 2021 also we got 18 questions from Indian polity, right? So this is the trend of Indian polity in UPSC examination from past 10 years. So coming back to the weightage of each topic, what we did, we have come up with a new conclusion from the data of 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017. So we have taken 5 years, past 5 years, and we are coming up with weightage of individual topics so that we can identify very important topics for this preliminary examination, right? So if you take historical background, the weightage of this particular topic in the examination, how many questions came from this particular topic in examination of 2021, 2020, 19, 18, 17, past 5 years, right? So one question each came in 2019 and 17. This is the importance of this particular topic. If you take salient features, can you see this? We got 2 questions in 2021, 1 question in 2020, 19 1, and again 18 1, and 2017 2 questions, which means that this particular topic is important and you need to give more time for this particular topic. Conclusively, this is consistently we are getting questions from this particular topic, 1 or 2 questions from this particular topic, which means that this will stay as important topic in our preparation. Coming back to center and state relations, we have 2 questions in 2020 and 1 each in 18 and 17. If you take systems of government, past 2 years we got 3 questions each from systems of government and 1 in 2017. That is importance of this particular topic, right? Coming back to preamble and citizenship, so we have 1 question each in 2021, and from preamble 1 question in 2020 and 2 questions in 2017. That is the relevance of this particular topic, right? Coming back to DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy, 1 question came in 2021 and 3 questions came in 2020 and 2 in 2017. So this is the relevance of this particular topic, Directive Principles of State Policy. Coming back to fundamental rights, you can see consistency. In 2021 we got 2 questions and 1 each in 2020 and 2019, and again 2 and 3. So another important topic is identified. Very important topic is fundamental rights. So you should come up with the priorities, right? So you have to prepare according to the priorities, right? So consistently questions are coming from fundamental rights. That is another area where you need to focus more. Coming back, fundamental duties, we have 1 question in 2017. That is the relevance of this particular topic. Coming back to amendments and acts. So amendments is another important topic. 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 25th Amendment, 7th Amendment, 1st Amendment. There are many important amendments which you need to read for your preliminary examination. So you can see 1 question in 2021 and 19, 1 question came. From emergency provisions, 1 question came in 2018. Elections, 1 each in 2020 and 2017. If you take constitutional and non-constitutional bodies, 1 question came in 2018. Union government, again you can see consistently questions are being asked from this particular topic. 1 in 2021, 2 in 2020 and 1 in 2019. So state government, 1 question in 2021, 2 each in 2019 and 2018, and again 1 in 2017. So these are other important topics in which Parliament, you can see Parliament, 1 question in 2021, 2 in 2020, 2 in 2019, 4 in 2018, 4 in 2017. This topic is quite important and relevant for your preliminary examination, stays as important topic for your preliminary examination. So unlike if you take schedule and tribal areas, 3 questions came in 2019, and local government, 1 question in 2017, right? Union territories, we didn't see many questions. And judiciary, another favorite topic of Union Public Service Commission, where we got 2 questions in 2021, 1 in 2020, 3 in 19 and 1 in 2017. This is the importance of this particular topic. And if you take other constitutional dimensions and perspectives, 2 questions came in 2021 and 1 in 2019. These are core topics of Indian polity. And if you take allied topics or current affair topics in which current affairs based acts or ministries or departmental questions, if you say 5 questions came in 2019 from that part and 6 in 2018 and 3 in 2017. So you can see we have identified a few important topics in our preparation. One is salient features of constitution, and you can also see fundamental rights, parliament, right? Parliament, judiciary. Likewise, we need to make priorities, and that is the thing which we are going to do in this particular crash course. We are going to cover the complete important priority topics for your upcoming preliminary examination in less than 20 hours. That is the target, right? So references, what are the references for your preparation in this particular course? Normally you know that NCERTs are standard books, right? NCERT 9th class, 10th class, 11th, 12th class, these are the standard books which you need to go through. But this time in this crash course, I will be suggesting selectively few topics, few chapters from these books, especially from Democratic Politics Part 1 of NCERT 9th class and Indian Constitution at Work and of 11th class. So I will not be asking you to read that completely, but I will be asking you to read that textbook selectively, because conceptual questions are important, like parliamentary form of government. What is parliamentary form of government? Those questions you can answer when you better understand the systems of government through these books, right? So another important textbook is Legal Studies book of CBSE 12th class, right? From which judiciary, as I said, judiciary is another important topic for your preliminary examination. Your judiciary and Supreme Court and judicial review, all these topics can be covered. All these topics can be covered from this textbook of Legal Studies CBSE class 12, right? So which means that I'll be asking you to go through these books selectively. My priority in this crash course will be Democratic Politics Part 1, Constitution at Work and Legal Studies. I'll be focusing on these 3 books. And coming back, you know, the general resources. Apart from that, Lakshmikant, D.D. Basu, Subhas Kashyap, P.M. Bakshi, all these books are there. I'll be asking you to read selectively Lakshmikant because that is your favorite book. And that is lucid to understand, easy to understand, simple language, right? That is the reason why I'll be asking you to read selectively few topics from this particular book. And you need to have all the time during the course the Constitution of India PDF, which is updated, and you can download this document from Legislative Department website. I'll be telling you that in course, right? I'll be asking you to download this Constitution of India document. You need to keep that as a reference, right? So apart from this, there are many other sources: PIB, PRS India, newspapers, current affairs magazine, and aggregator magazine. I'll be giving a gist of current affairs which is important for this particular examination, for upcoming preliminary examination. That I'll be doing from these resources. I'll be using these resources for this particular crash course. And coming up to the strategy, normally well-known clear-cut strategy is that we need to complete NCRTs, you need to do NCRT MCQs. Then you need to complete the syllabus. How do we complete the syllabus? You can complete the syllabus using any one resources. There are n number of resources, right? After completion of syllabus, you need to complete topic-wise MCQs. If you complete topic-wise MCQs, then you will have solid knowledge and solid grip on this particular subject, right? So then again, current affairs. Then you need to go to PYQs. This will be the strategy normally in this crash course. I'll be intensely focusing on previous year questions, right? I'll be taking up last 40 years questions of Indian polity and prescribing, and I'll solve them during the course, right? So while I'm dealing topics specifically, I'll be taking up PYQs, previous year questions, and I'll be solving those questions. Which will be useful for your upcoming examination, right? So this is about this crash course. I hope you understood it well, and I request you to use this particular crash course for your better results. Thank you very much.